El Nino begins, and it is bigger and stronger than ever. It is going to be a Godzilla destructive monster storm, everyone. Okay, so be aware. We're talking about sea surface temperature in the 3.4 region of the equatorial Pacific Ocean, okay? The ring of fire that is going to be taking a toll on the world, okay? But we're specifically looking at the United States for the destructive, catastrophic episode event, okay? We're talking this will probably even happen as early as this year, okay? So we're looking at a destructive monster storm due to the sea surface temperatures on that ring of fire Pacific Ocean side, and you can see just how strong it is, and it is getting more wider, and pressure, all that warm water is definitely sprucing up over there in the ring of fire. It's definitely taking on a lot of pressure and getting bigger, stronger, and wider, okay? We're in the 3.4 region of the equatorial Pacific Ocean, and you can see that it's even bigger than it was in 1877 when it caused millions of life. Okay, so look at this. July 4th, you can see that it has already risen to 1.7 degrees above Celsius, 2.0 it's almost at, and you can see that it will break record temperatures by the end of this year. You can see that it's going to be almost up to a system 5, a lot of anomalies are saying, and that is a Godzilla monster storm. You can see it in action right now as it's developing into a more stronger, warmer Pacific ring of fire, more thicker than ever as well. Very hot, heated, warm temperatures, and it's definitely throwing off the weather pattern, okay? So let's take a look at what it's doing to the weather pattern. You're going to see that polar jet stream trying to go up more towards north to bring on cooler air, but then that extended persistent Pacific jet stream going towards the south, meaning more droughts, okay? But let's take a look. What is going on right now? Currently, you're going to see that equator is just having that ring of fire, warm up and sprucing up some storms. So you just want to be aware that if this does occur, and it looks like it will be occurring at the end of this year, California is on alert, okay? Because that can mean rain, wind, and fire, okay? That can mean destruction, that can mean flooding, that can mean a lot of catastrophes, okay? So we're looking at that West Coast region, even Arizona and New Mexico, going into Texas a little bit. So just make sure that you're aware that we're watching that El Nino, and it is here as a Godzilla monster storm. So make sure you stay tuned to Tiffany's content. I'm going to keep you updated. It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.